So hey guys, this is your host, your friend Sunil Sample back here with another video. So first of all, thank you guys for responding so much positively for my previous video, what is thumbnails. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you that how to make those awesome, beautiful thumbnails. First of all you have to do is open your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Then there's a website named canva.com. As you can see, just enter it. It will ask you to log in through your Google account. So you have to log in and give it your Google account. So now we are at the homepage of the canva.com. All you have to search is create a design button. Just simply click it, and now as we can see that it is very easy guys. It is the simplest tutorial you are ever gonna see how to make thumbnails, and it is the best website ever I have found. So now we have all the choices of Facebook, Instagram, Facebook cards, Facebook page, cover, etc. So we can also design that also, but today's main focus is on YouTube thumbnails. So as you can see, the number one is YouTube thumbnails. Just simply click it, YouTube thumbnails. You will be in the next tab. This is not a sponsored video guys. We have a lot of opportunities here to make the attractive, the most rocking thumbnails. So first of all, by clicking the photos, you can click and select all the photos provided to you from the free library of canva.com. You can also select elements guys. In elements, we have all the types of shapes, all the types of GIFs, and all the types of main templates. Like if you want to add pictures, you have to just select how you want to split your two pictures. This is best for verses also. Like now I'm going to teach you and make a thumbnail in front of you. So starting from all the step 0, you need to select a photo if you want to add a photo there. So if you are not going to add this type of photo, you have a personal photo, so skip this step. So skip this step guys. Now click on elements. Now you can choose all the type of charts, lines here, anything you want. Suppose we want to add the pictures, so let's place it here. This will give us the option guys to add one picture. So if we want to add more than one picture, we can also select from various grids here. So suppose I'm just gonna only take one picture here. So first of all I'm gonna select it. Okay, so now I'm gonna select another shape also, like this, but currently I don't need shape, I'm just telling you. So now here is the text guys. Here is all the type of heading we will ever want to design our thumbnails. This is really awesome guys. So as we can see that there is a huge variety of text and fonts which we can choose, which we can opt for. So basically mainly I use this for making my videos thumbnails. You can also select the free library videos here if you wanna just design some intros, but we are not also using here. So we will just simply select the background here first of all. See guys how awesome these backgrounds are, free of cost. So suppose we are gonna choose a nice one. So let's select here. Okay, if we are choosing this, we just have to simply put it here. The background has been chosen guys. We will just decrease the size of our picture. See guys how beautiful this background is looking. So if we want to change the background, we can simply do that also. Like let me choose another one. This is also looking nice. See guys, I'm not able to select that background. I have to choose because every background I'm choosing here is just awesome in its own way. So really guys, I'm not able to choose what background should I choose. So okay, I'm gonna randomly choose one of it now.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, after a lot of hustling and bustling, now I have found one background which perfectly suits my liking. So now I'm gonna add my channel's logo here. As you all know that it's your beautiful logo here. So if you are wondering that how these pictures are already there, actually guys, I have been using this .com since maybe 6 months, so that's why I have this many pictures. So in yours there will be no pictures here, and you can simply upload your images or your videos by clicking in this button. So I have my logo already uploaded here. I will just search for that logo. See guys, here's my logo. So okay, I'm gonna remove this picture and decrease the size of my logo. Okay, simply just place it here. So now I'm again going to elements. Okay, I'm gonna choose beautiful line maybe. So here we go guys, I have found some of the elements of my liking. So now you can also select the color of your liking just by simply clicking here. Here's the color option. So we are going to choose a random awesome color. So now I am going to just simply add my text whichever I want to. See guys, here I can just select the size of this text box and also the size of the text. Now I am just dragging, and by moving it here and there I can easily align it properly. Now I am increasing the size a little bit more. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, I'm gonna delete this element. So as you can see guys, within few minutes our thumbnail is ready to go and ready to rock. As you can see that this thumbnail is looking awesome. I'm going to put the same thumbnail on this video. So now the question arises here that how we can get these awesome thumbnails. So just all you have to do is simply click on download here and select the format in which you want to download. Basically I suggest you guys download in PNG format because it suits the best, and also you can also select here try Canva Pro. Canva Pro is also unlocking some new features and accessing from the thousands of videos and the photos provided to you from the premium subscription of Canva. I just simply use the free one. So now just simply click on download and you are ready to rock, and your design is prepared and your thumbnail is ready. See guys, just simply I have downloaded it and saved it. That's it guys, I hope you like the video. So do share my video and subscribe my channel and comment with how you like the video.